Hello, my name's Matt Dyson, and I'm the course director of the Oxford Introduction to Law in the UK. The course is an amazing opportunity to work with some of the world's finest legal minds, to stretch into difficult concepts and ideas, and to understand many of the aspects of law in the UK. Sadly, we cannot welcome you to Oxford in person during the COVID-19 pandemic, but we can bring the techniques we've been honing by teaching online this last year to wherever you are in the world. You might be wondering, what makes this course special? Well, it's a course we've designed to offer you the best of Oxford's teaching and research in an intensive 2-week period. You have lectures with some amazing colleagues of mine in fascinating areas of law. You have seminars working with your peers and tutors to debate the issues raised in the lectures. You have tutorials working with just 4 students and 1 tutor, discussing, rephrasing, reconceptualizing, and perhaps even solving some of the key legal questions. That work covers the core modules: criminal law, property law, tort law, contract law in the first week, and human rights, jurisprudence, environmental law, and law and technology in the second week. We complement the core modules with enrichment sessions, bringing together sociological perspectives on how the law operates in the real world, with the research actually going on in Oxford right now, as well as insights from leading practitioners in the law. Do you wonder how the criminal courts sentence offenders? We'll hear about it from one of the top professors in the UK, who sat on the Sentencing Council for 10 years as it wrote many of the guidelines the courts use right now. Have you wondered how courts have been using technology, particularly in the face of COVID, to help the justice system work? Well, the leading research on this is being done in Oxford right now, and this course gives you a rare chance to talk to the people doing it. We welcome everyone who is at university, has a place to study at university, or has graduated from university, or is 19 or older on the 12th of July 2021. The course is designed so that participants at similar levels of experience can be grouped together to work together to get deeper into the issues. I look forward to meeting you on the course.